Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana, whether you're cleaning up completed work or removing outdated projects from your workspace. This process will help you keep your Asana account organized and clutter-free. First, head over to the Asana web app and log in to your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll see the Projects section. This is where all your active projects are listed, making it easy to navigate between different workspaces and tasks you're managing. Click on the name of the project you want to delete. This will open up the project page and give you access to all the settings and options you need. It's important to make sure you're selecting the right project here, as deleting is a significant action that will remove all associated tasks and information. Now, at the top of the project page, you'll notice the project title with a small down arrow next to it. Click on that arrow to open the project options menu. This dropdown contains various settings and actions you can take with your project, from editing details to adjusting permissions. Scroll down through the dropdown menu until you find the option labeled Delete Project. This is typically located toward the bottom of the menu, as Asana places more permanent actions like deletion further down to prevent accidental clicks. Go ahead and click on Delete Project. A pop-up confirmation window will appear asking you to verify that you really want to delete this project. This is Asana's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove important work. In this pop-up, click the Delete button to confirm your decision. Wait for the confirmation notification to appear. Asana will display a message letting you know that your project has been successfully deleted. This notification is important because it also contains a helpful feature for those oops moments. If you realize you've deleted the project by mistake, don't panic. Look for the undo option in that confirmation notification. Asana gives you up to 7 days to restore a deleted project, so you have a grace period to recover your work if needed. This safety net ensures that accidental deletions don't result in permanent data loss. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.